dear student, at the time of pandemics, you had after such time of teaching, you with the medium of such process or subject of discussion is light. First I want to say about the light. What is light? Light is the energy which enables us to see any object. Any object, when light falls on it, it reflects from the light and we see the object. Light is often major source of light is sun. Next thing is optics. The branch of physics which deals with light is called optics. Optics are two types. First one, wave optics. This deals with the wave nature of light. Phenomena like diffraction, and polarization, or explain by wave nature, wave optics. Second one, ray optics. The propagation of light in the form of rays is called ray optics. Phenomena like reflection and refraction are explained by ray optics. Now next point is nature of light. Light behave in two parts. First, Newton's corpuscular theory Newton in 1675 explained that light is made up of small particles called corpuscles. Next theory is Huygens wave theory. According to Huygens, light behaves as waves. It propagates in the form of waves. According to this, light behaves like waves. In 1872, Maxwell explained that lights propagate in form of electromagnetic waves. Light, Maxwell showed that light propagate due to electromagnetic nature. Thus we see that light behave as dual nature. Light behave as dual nature. Thus that light behave as dual nature. That is, light is essentially a form of small particle or particle nature, and light also behave as waves. Thus, light have dual nature. Now, come to the topic reflection of light. Reflection of light. It is optical occurrence in which when light falls on an plane surface, it returns into the same medium. That is called reflection of light. Reflection of light takes place by mirrors, polished surface, and so many things. The reflection of light by the mirror is in our subject. This is plane mirror. This is plane mirror, and this is a polished surface. This and upper one is reflecting surface. Suppose this is a point, a perpendicular drawn on this point. This is point of incident, point of incident ray This is reflected ray, and this is normal. Normal means a perpendicular on the point of incident is called normal. This is incident ray, this is reflected ray. This arrow shows this is ray strike on the point of incident. After incident, it reflected in this direction. This shows the direction of the reflected. The angle far between normal and incident ray, it is represented by I. And angle between reflected ray and normal is shown by R. R means reflecting angle, angle of reflection, angle of reflection, and I is angle of incidence. Angle of incidence. This is all about ray diagram of reflection. This is incident ray, this is reflected ray, this is normal, and angle between normal and reflection. Incident ray is angle of incidence, and between reflected ray and normal is angle of reflection. This is the occurrence of reflection. Now, law of reflection. Laws of reflection. Law of reflection. First law is incident ray, reflected ray, and normal lie on the same plane. First law is angle of incident ray, reflected ray, and normal lie in the same plane. First incident ray, reflected ray, and normal at the point of incidence lie in the same plane. Second law, angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. That is, angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. That is, angle I is equal to angle R. Now next topic is type of reflection. Regular, first regular reflection, when light parallel light incidence on a plane surface, it after reflection it become parallel to each other. This is called regular reflection. It is represented as this is surface, regular reflection. Regular reflection takes place on even surface. When surface is even, all the light parallel incident on the surface after reflection, it reflected in the parallel. This is called regular reflection. In irregular reflection, occurs on the uneven surface. That is, parallel rays of light falls on the surface. After reflection, it is not certain to reflected in parallel. This is represented as this one. This is uneven surface. When light falls on it, this is parallel light. After reflection, it reflected in this way. These are parallel light, but the reflected light not parallel. This is called irregular reflection. Irregular reflection. There is the advantage of irregular reflection in our daily life. If there we receive the sunlight, all the between sun and us there is a number of particles such as dust particles, water droplets lie in between them, and these mediums create a irregular surface. When the sunlight falls on this, these lights are reflected irregularly, and due to this we get a normal, homogeneous, normal light everywhere. If there is no irregular reflection, the object seen very bright or object seen dark. This is the advantage of irregular reflection. Due to irregular reflection, irregular reflection, we receive uniform light everywhere. So this is advantage of irregular reflection. Now image. Images. Image are two types. First is real image. Next is virtual image. When rays falls on any surface, it is reflected and meet a point. In this case, real image is fall. And when the reflected rays appear to meet, in this case, virtual image is fall. Difference between real image and virtual image is that real image can be obtained on a screen, but virtual image cannot be obtained on screen. This is difference, main difference between real image and virtual image. Formation of real image and virtual image is given as, suppose this is mirror. This is here a point. Two rays from the object falls on this way. These are the rays. After reflection, it is reflected in this way. This object go. That is object, and its image is real image. In this case, they reflected, they do not meet at any point because they diverge in this direction and appear to meet at this point. Thus, the object formed is image on O dash. This is called virtual image. And real image, in the case of this one, this is also a curve image. virtual image, real image. In real image, the reflected they meet, and in virtual image, reflected incident and appear to meet. This is difference. And in this way, the two images are formed: virtual image and real image.